Welcome back to our new session. In this session I am going to explain about how to create a consolidation business area. Okay, it is typo error. How to create a consolidation business area. Consolidation business area is nothing but a sub branch of a business area. Here we can see if you observe, it is like a tree. Like a company is like the major, like it's a group of companies. Under this there is one company code, like we can create multiple company codes. Under this company code there will be some branches. Those are called as business areas, and under this business areas and branches there will be some sub branches like consolidation business area. For the creation of consolidation business area, we need to create a consolidation business area for this company code, not for group of companies. Do you got the point? Like we need to create some consolidation business area for company code, as a consolidation of business area is at company code level. Okay, now let's go to the SAP screen and let's see the function. Give OCC1, hit enter. Here click on the new entries. As our company code is ABC Technologies, it is ABC Technologies, so I am giving ABC Technologies, ABCA. You could give your own company with CA in the ending, so that you could understand it is like a consolidation business area. Give as consolidation business area for give console business area for ABCT. Okay, click on save. Create a transport request. Give as creation of business area. Click on save. Okay, now it's done. The data was saved. You can see below. Now once again let's check whether it has been created or not. Give OCC1, hit enter, click on the position. You could give first 3 letters of the company code or the console business area. Okay, A, B, C, and you could give the star, so that all the details of the company will be fetched in one click. If you give star in the ending also, it will accept. See, the companies which are starting with A, it has given in the serial order. So this is our company ABCA, consolidation business area for ABCT. Okay, I hope you understand this session, and I would like to request a like if you would like my knowledge and explanation, and please share this video with your friends who are willing to learn SAP, and subscribe our channel for more upcoming sessions. Thank you. Have a good day.